when purpose and choices collide. Not every battle is external. As the journey continues, something becomes clear. Not every threat comes from outside. Some of the greatest dangers come from influence, distraction, and compromise. Numbers now moves into a deeper layer, not just survival, but alignment. The wrath of Balak, when control fails. King Balak to stop Israel. He had already tried through Balaam, through words, influence, and manipulation, but nothing worked. Blessings kept coming. This created frustration, because when control fails, anger often appears. Meaning, today, many people try to control outcomes, others' opinions, or situations. But not everything can be controlled. When things don't go as expected, frustration can lead to poor decisions. The lesson: not everything is meant to be controlled. Some things are meant to be trusted. The star of the Messiah, a vision beyond the moment. Balaam speaks of something remarkable. A star rising from Jacob, a future leader. A sign of something greater to come. This moment shifts perspective. It reminds the people their story was not only about the present, it was part of something bigger. Meaning, today, people become trapped in immediate problems. But purpose often extends beyond the moment. There is a longipat. And understanding that changes how we respond today, the sin of Israel when compromise enters. Despite all they had seen, the people fell into compromise. They were influenced by surrounding cultures. They lost focus. This led to consequences. This moment is not about punishment alone. It is about a shift in direction. Meaning, today, progress does not eliminate temptation. Even after growth, people can still lose focus. The danger is subtle. Small compromises, gradual changes, quiet shifts in values. The lesson: staying aligned requires consistency. The second census, a new generation, a second census was taken. This time, it was different. Many from the first generation were gone. A new generation had emerged. This was not just counting people. It was marking transition. Meaning today, life moves forward, whether we are ready or not. Generations change, roles change, opportunities shift. And each new stage requires new responsibility, new mindset, new vision. You cannot live the next chapter with the mindset of the previous one. Daily offerings, consistency over intensity. The people were instructed to offer daily sacrifices, not occasionally. Not only in crisis, daily. This teaches something powerful. Consistency shapes life more than intensity. Meaning today, success, growth, and stability are built through daily actions, not occasional effort. Small, consistent steps create long-term results. Sabbath and Passover, pause and remember. Special offerings were given for the Sabbath, a time of rest. The Passover, a time of remembrance. These moments created rhythm. Pause, reflect, remember, meaning today, modern life rarely pauses. But without pause, clarity fades, purpose weakens, direction becomes unclear. Rest is not a luxury. It is necessary for balance. And remembering past victories builds strength for future challenges. The Day of Forgiveness, a reset point. The Day of Atonement appears as a central moment, a time to reflect, to release, to reset. This was not only ritual, it was renewal. Meaning today, people carry emotional weight, regret, guilt, pressure. Without moments of release, that weight accumulates. Every life needs reset points. Moments to pause and begin again. What book of Numbers teaches us today? Control is limited. Trust is necessary. Purpose extends beyond the present moment. Small compromises can shift direction. New seasons require new mindset. Consistency builds lasting results. Rest and reflection bring clarity. Renewal is essential for growth. Final reflection, the journey continues. But something deeper is revealed. Life is not only shaped by major events. Itisha padbi dilchwayat decision, small as consistence. And perhaps the most important realization is this: you do not lose direction suddenly. You lose it gradually. And in the same way, you do not build a meaningful life instantly. You build it step by step. So the question becomes, what are you doing daily that is shaping your future? Because your direction tomorrow is being formed today.